Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel FIREWALL again. Today I would like to discuss some key important aspect when you work in IT industry. When I say IT industry, it's more like when you work as an engineer in some organization. If you work as an engineer, you need to remember certain things so that your success for your job is straight away. Few important points which I would like to discuss, which are important. If you currently working in any IT industry, you will relate this. So understand and listen it well so that you can apply in your daily life. Number one thing, whenever you work in any project, visibility matters. So consider I'm working on certain projects and I have a lot of work done, but in background I'm doing everything. My manager don't know about it. He only knows that I am working on a certain project and I am going to deliver that. But what efforts I am taking to deliver that work, that need to be visible to your manager. Why it is important? Because manager knows somehow you're going to deliver that work, but he don't know what efforts you are taking for it. Efforts matters because end of the day, if he knows that you come across any difficulties, any out of box works you have delivered, he will appreciate you. If you not shown your work to him and he was like, okay, somehow you deliver that work, it's like it's your daily job. And if he consider like that, he will not appreciate you and he will feel that this is a normal thing anyone can do. So always remember, show your work to your manager. Always try to tackle him. Always try to ping him. Always try to disturb him, I would say, and get more visibility towards you. Not only the manager, I would suggest whosoever the senior management involved, try to loop them in that work too. So that somehow they know that you are doing this work, but what efforts you are taking to deliver that work. Why it is important? It is important so that tomorrow some appraisal, some important points or some consideration need to be done. They ultimately think about you because somehow they know that this guy doing out of box work and he's delivering that things. So very important, make sure you are visible, your work is visible whenever you're going to deliver any sort of work or any project for your manager, for your senior management or whatsoever. See, it's always important to make a simple thing look complicated. Why? Because simple thing you can show to your manager, they were like, okay, you can do easily, anyone can do easily. But if you make that simple thing kind of complicated, I mean, not a complicated, but a representation of that skill in a way that so that the someone who's your one up or a manager or senior manager, he feel that okay, this is kind of complicated things and this guy is delivering that, so that obviously the appreciation will come for you. If you not do that, you will just show that okay, this is very casual work. I mean, sometimes we feel that okay, manager should see that this guy knows everything, he do all the things very casually, he is very smart guy, he knows the things you know sometimes that is also important because they feel okay, if some new work come, complicated work come, we need to give to this guy and this guy is very important for our organization to deliver this work. But sometimes it is also crucial that they don't feel about it, that this work is not something which is kind hard enough to deliver, it's easily deliver. And sometimes remember, if you don't have more options in your organization, for example, in your project there is a 2 or 3 employees and every employee got a different project, how you can differentiate yourself with that employee, right? There has to be something different, right? So that different is something I would say, have a visibility. Visibility in any terms very important and very important for your career. So make sure visibility as a priority. There are many other examples I would like to give in terms of the visibility, but have that in the mind that visibility on anything is number one thing. Then, whenever we work on anything, number one thing, the direction important. Direction matters. Why? Because if I am going to deliver certain work and I don't know how to deliver that work, I don't have a direction, right? I need to reach to the end of that project or end of that work, but there are certain ways to deliver that. One way is like, you don't have a direction and you are working on it towards to achieve end of that project or goal, whatever it is. But if you have a direction, like how to reach to that end or complete that project, then it's easy for you. Always try to see if certain work which you going to deliver is delivered from your colleague or any senior employee, what direction he followed, what path he took. You have to take the same path, you have to use same logic and deliver it. I'm not saying copy him each and every step, but direction, the guidance towards end is important. Why? Because if you know this is the direction and you're going to achieve your end goal using this direction, you can add your own logics, you can add your own steps, you can add your different things over there so that that work going to be delivered well, and it going to deliver that thing is always in your mind, so the trace level to deliver that work is always zero. So keeping in mind direction to deliver that work is very important. Number 3 and very crucial important things, always remember whatever work you are delivering, have the ownership of it. The time you give your ownership to someone else, that time remember the other guy, if he is smarter, he will take all your efforts towards him. He will take each and every steps took from you for the work what you have delivered doing your hard work or a smart work, whatever it is, but he will show that to the management and take credit of it. Always remember, keep in your mind, you have to take ownership of your work. Whenever you work, keep in mind the ownership is important. Even if it's a small work, a big work, or a big project, small project, always show that you are owning it and you are delivering it, so that your manager, your senior management, or whosoever is a one up for you is always in an impression that this guy takes ownership and completes works. And people who do something like this is always come in a mind when there is certain situations comes, when there is a scenario where they have to take a call like whom we can give the work and who is definitely going to deliver that work. And whenever the appraisal time comes, these things also come in the mind for the organization. They think about you. So always keep in mind, have ownership whatever work you are delivering. And last but not least, you have to remember this, whatever work you're going to deliver, the work delivery part is in your hand, but what outcome you're going to get out of it is not in your hand, is always decided by the senior management. So you have to make sure whatever work you are going to deliver it well, deliver in a time, have visibility, but don't think about the appreciation or whatever the credit you're gonna get. Always remember, if your stars are good, you're going to get a credit. If it is not, they always get some looks on your work and they will try to filter it out. So these are the important things you have to keep in your mind when you're working with the IT companies. So guys, thanks for watching this video and have a wonderful day.